What's going on, YouTube? You're watching Steel City MotoVlogs. I'm Derrick T, your host, coming at you with another Night Rider episode. Y'all, I don't know how I got talked into this one, but I'm going with the motorcycle club, and there's a event tonight. First of all, it's Wednesday night, July 20th, going into the 21st. It's about 11:30 p.m. and y'all see the sky up there? I mean, it's about to start thundering and lightning. But I'm on my way to this motorcycle event. All clubs are welcome. It's from 11 p.m. until 2 a.m. Now, who has a event on a Wednesday night at those hours? I don't know. But I'm going to show my face, but I'm telling you, I'm not going to be out at this one terribly long at all. I mean, it's lightning. I can see it. The sky is lightening up. And it's looking like I'm riding right into it. I'm supposed to be meeting my brother. So we can go show our faces at this thing, but let me tell you, plans do change. And I'm just not feeling all the electricity in the sky. And me being out here. I'm not feeling it. Why wouldn't we do this thing on a weekend? I have no idea. It's a muggy night. It's real muggy out. It's probably still about 80. I think it's 82. I think was what I had when I left the house. It's 82 degrees and very humid. I'm rocking my colors, which I almost never do in my videos. That's because most of my videos are solo missions. Yeah, this one, the longer and longer I give myself on this one, the more and more I question my own good judgment. Driving willingly into a thunderstorm. It's just not something that your boy is known for doing. But I also said I would go. Everything is under construction. Like this road work right here wasn't here like 2 days ago. Like they are steady putting everything under some kind of road work. I just wish the city would go on and finish one thing before they start something else. I'm gonna get off here on East Ohio Street and grab some gas. I'm supposed to meet at 11:45. I got 11:33 right now, so. And the meeting place is right around the corner, so I'm in good time. Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
You do know it's lightning out here, right?
Yeah, it's all good. I just saw it.
Yeah.
But it's not supposed to rain. Looking at the forecast.
So, where are you right now?
I'm pulling out my driveway.
You wanna meet me
Pulling out my car.
Oh,
Huh?
Sorry, I just stalled out. Never mind.
I'm pulling out the garage.
Know how I did that, but okay, I'm getting some gas at the gas station over here on East Ohio Street.
On East Ohio Street.
Or not East Ohio Street, but what's that? Oh, this gas station over here is the only one over here on the north side.
Oh, you're already on the north side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I don't know where you're at.
I just got over here. I'm on East Ohio Street right now. And what's this, like Federal Street or something like that?
I don't know what gas station is. Oh, you mean the hood gas station?
The what?
It's like a Sunoco in the hood?
Yeah. Like I said, it's the only one over here.
Yeah, down there.
Cedar Avenue. That's what it is. But you still want to meet at the casino, or you can come meet me over here at the gas station?
I'll come to the gas station.
Okay.
I'm on the way.
All right. Oh, no. Let's not do that. Somebody must have spilled gasoline over there. Got all that sand over there.
Try to hydrate a little bit here. Earlier, I almost passed out earlier today. It was real hot. And I went through my water supply before the ride was over. So here's to keeping it hydrated on a muggy night like tonight.
What's the address? You got it? You just let those cycle through the colors like that?
That's why I said I got one color, all of them.
I don't know if you were allowed to do that or not.
What is that? Not mine.
Nothing. My brother just cycling through all the colors. I try to keep them solid.
We're staying on 65.
Okay. Green light. Y'all, there's still lightning up here, man. I just don't know how I'm feeling about this. And supposedly it's not going to rain, and you know, rain is rain. I'm prepared for that, but I think there's a difference between rain and a thunderstorm. Yeah, there's definitely a difference between rain and a thunderstorm. Hey, you know your brake light is broken back here.
Yeah, remember I told you I think someone hit it?
Oh.
Norfolk?
Yeah. I'm 100% at the mercy of whatever his GPS is saying. And also at the mercy of all that lightning. lean that gold wing into that bend. Love how nimble these GL 1500s are. For as big as they are, they'll get down into the bend. They'll do what you want it to do. My presence at this event is nothing more than me showing my face. I am not hanging out in this. Mister, it's not going to rain. The guys in the group always talk about my brother and I riding these gold wings. But let me tell you, last year we took a 900-mile trip to Georgia from here. 1,800 miles round trip, over 2,000 miles if you add in all the riding we did while we were down there. All together, 7 Harleys and 2 gold wings and a Honda VTX. The Hondas went down and came back no problem. The Harleys, out of the 7, 4 of them came back. 3 of them got towed back. Give me my 24-year-old gold wing. I'll take it every time. All right, let's go get in some trouble. All right, you two. All right, the event was little more than a glorified wing night. You know, still fun to get out, hang out with some people. I got the product of my handiwork on display 2 times, on my bike and on the one in front of me. It came down pretty hard while we were inside. And it's still, there's still some lightning in the area. It's definitely not as muggy as it used to be. But we're making our way home. It is 1:30, 1:40 Thursday morning. And I'm essentially at my office. I can't show you exactly where it is, but it's right around the corner from here. So we're in for about a 15-minute ride, nothing special. I probably should have threw my rain jacket on, but I'm on my way home. So I think if I was going somewhere else and wanted to stay dry because I wasn't going directly home, that'd be one thing, but still got some lightning in the area. The worst of the worst is behind us, because it came down real hard. But yep, I'm just going to take my time and cruise it on in. Visibility is not the greatest. Dark and rainy is not really my thing. It's not my favorite condition to ride in. It's not my favorite condition to drive a car in. But I'm only going to get home one way. So my brother's having some visibility issues too, seeing through his windshield. I think it might be time to cut this one. Cut it down about 2 or 3 inches where I'd be able to see over top of it. All right, this is where Morris and I park company. He's heading west, I'm heading east. I can't have my visor all the way down because it always fogs up. But I kind of wear it almost like a baseball cap when it's raining outside. Just enough to provide a shield from the raindrops and all that stuff, but up high enough that I don't have to look through it at the same time. It is almost 2 o'clock in the morning on a work night. What in the world was I thinking? In a thunderstorm. I had a good time. That's what counts. The nice thing is for all intents and purposes, have the road to myself, because no normal human being parties until 2 o'clock in the morning on a Wednesday going into Thursday. That honor is usually saved for Friday going into Saturday. Every other normal human being is in bed right now, but then again, normal is kind of boring. What I'm doing right now is definitely not normal. It's not in my scope of normal. Because this is my exit right here. This is where get on off the highway. Yeah, everything else is easy going. All right, y'all. I'm going to go on and bring this one to a close. Thanks for tuning in. It's Steel City MotoVlogs. I'm Derrick T, your host. Until the next adventure, and this one really was an adventure. But until the next one, you all be safe out there. I surely intend to be safe the rest of my way home. But you all take care, and I'll talk to you all on the next adventure.